Hey, you! I'm your nutrition coach. My name is Jackie Poole. Welcome to Happiness is a Healthier Habit. Let's get today's episode started. Good morning. I was having a little bit of tech issues trying to figure out how to start this. I don't do this often, so I hope that I will. Just put my phone down for a little bit. So good morning, my name is Jackie. I'm the person that's created this group. I hope you join me this morning. I have a couple of announcements. Number one, if you are looking for a nutrition coach, if you're looking to lose weight, if you're looking to improve your habits, this is going to be very important. So listen up, because I am doing a Black Friday special. I am doing a referral basis. So if you refer somebody to me and they sign up, you will get a free coaching session that is worth $50 an hour. So very valuable, especially if you're just needing a little bit of help to get you through maybe a plateau or stuck on the scale or just haven't seen results for a while. Like, this would be the perfect time to do that. So refer somebody to me and you will get that as well. And number two, I am doing a Black Friday deal where instead of the 12 weeks that we work together, I'm adding an additional 4 sessions to that. So we would be working together for 16 weeks. You will see results. You will get a workout plan. You would get all the things. So please, if you're really wanting to change your habits, see results, especially for the holidays, for the new year, if that's something that you're thinking about, if you've just struggled with results and haven't been able to maintain, this is going to be it. And so I want to get started, and I had a little bit of kind of what I wanted to talk about today. So, of course, Thanksgiving is around the corner, and while Thanksgiving is a good time to really enjoy family, it can be very challenging and triggering to individuals. Like, I don't want to gain weight, I don't want to eat too much, I don't want to binge eat, I don't want to fail. All of the things that come, right? So if we're really focused on that, then there's maybe some things that we need to change. But today I'm going to really share 3 powerful tips that are going to help you boost your metabolism, stay consistent, and really feel amazing during this next holiday week. So let's dive in. And these are things that you are going to experience that are very simple, very easy to do. You don't have to go buy or purchase or anything like that. So that is the main thing here, right? What can I do today to see massive results, massive benefits without having to add more time, without having to spend more money? I know the holidays are here, and this is one easy way that I can give you tips on you seeing results. So let's dive in real quick. So the first one is going to be protein. So protein is your number one tip. Prioritize protein wherever you go. So why protein? Protein is your metabolism's weapon. It is your secret superpower. This is the number one thing that you need to focus on, starting your meals with protein-rich foods. This can be like the turkey or the ham or whatever meats. I know for us, sometimes we used to cook steak or beef like that. So go for those types of meats first, especially when hitting your protein goals is a thing. Sometimes during the holidays, if we go for other things, it can be really hard to reach those goals. So we just focus on hitting our protein goals. Is going to help us throughout the day. It's going to have a more burning calories during the day as well. Protein has a high thermic effect. So basically, when you eat protein, your body is a machine, right? And it's breaking down that protein. It takes a lot more for your body to break down protein. So more energy your body is using to process the protein, meaning again your body burns more energy while digesting it compared to like carbs or fats. And so here are the keys of why we want to focus on protein. Protein again boosts your metabolism from 20 to 30% while consuming it already compared to fats or carbs. And 2 is going to help you feel longer. It's going to help you kind of have less cravings, and you might even want to try to indulge in other foods, but when you intuitively are aware of your body, you might be like, you know what, I'm full, maybe just a slice instead of like a whole piece of pie, or I love pecan pie, so that is my go-to dessert. But I know when we stick to protein first, it's really going to help stabilize blood sugar. Again, it's going to prevent you from having like those crashes after the meal and help you along with cravings, right? So to start your Thanksgiving plate, just make sure you're doing protein-rich foods. And this could be throughout the day, right? If we're hitting our protein goals, this could be turkey, this could be eggs, plant-based protein options if you're a vegetarian, by making protein the star of your day, and you'll naturally actually eat less, and you'll hopefully be in a caloric deficit if you're being intuitively eating and being aware of what you are eating. So that is tip number 1, hit your protein. And one thing that I did not mention is if you don't know what your protein goal is, if you don't know how much protein should be, a good rule of thumb, I think, for everybody to start off with, especially if you're somebody that hasn't tracked protein, it would be 1 gram per body weight or desired body weight, right? So for example, I'm 125, so my goal would be 120, since that's the weight goal I want to be, right? So that would be just an example of amount of protein in grams that you should be eating. And so number 2 is do a HIIT or strength training session before the feast. So sometime in the day, make time to really get a nice workout in. So this is before your holiday meal, right? Before, Thursday, get a quick workout, get, your metabolism boosted. It's going to kick your metabolism in high gear. When we do, especially high intensive interval training or strength training, you're not only burning calories during the session that you're working out, you're also increasing your metabolic rate for like hours on end. Like your metabolism can really increase like for the next 24 hours. And this could be a HIIT workout from Fit On. You can do a strength training session, as opposed to like cardio. When you just like go running, your body just burns calories in that moment because you're done running and that's it. So that's why it's important to build muscle, because you can improve your metabolism throughout the day, burn more calories as the day goes on. And so these 2 types of exercises are really going to boost your metabolism days on end or hours on end, even after you're done working out. So again, you're going to boost your calorie burn up to 24 hours after you're done, and you're going to build lean muscle. You're going to increase your metabolic rate over time. You're going to improve your insulin sensitivity, helping your body handle carbs and, your meal better as well. You're going to feel good. You're going to put yourself in a better mood as well. And so you're also going to relieve stress. That's one thing for me. Like, it can be a stressful time. We're actually going camping with a big group of people, and we're very excited, but there's no water, there's no like electricity. So this is like full on camping. And so it can be a little stressful figuring out, how we're going to cook, how we're going to do this, but we have a plan. And so I hope that maybe you can make a plan for what you're trying to do this week. The goal or actionable step here is spend 20 to 30 minutes doing these exercises this week. And if you're not sure what HIIT training is, FitOn is a really good app to use for HIIT workouts. I think they really have some really hard ones, some medium ones, some starter ones, or if not, you can do some squats, push-ups, burpees at home, rest and break, rest and do. So that would be a good option for you, or just strength training, right? If you're not sure of what strength training is, you can always let me know, message me, and I can definitely explain to you, but it's definitely not getting your cardio up if you're just strength training. So both are very different, but both can really boost your metabolism throughout the day. So a short workout can set you for the rest of the day. And so that would be the actionable step. So number 1, hit your protein goal if during the day or the week, and 2 is get your workout on the day of to help you feel better and just improve your metabolism for the rest of the day. And the last one is actually going to be super simple, and if anything, this would be the main one, right? You're gonna take a walk after eating. So finally, instead of like going straight to the couch like most people do after this big meal that you might be having, walking will really help with digestion. It's going to regulate your blood sugar. It's going to give your metabolism a nice gentle boost. It's not about, oh, I'm going to burn so many calories, or you're not going to go running. You're really just going to do it for the digestion benefits of speeding up the way your body processes the food. It's going to reduce bloating after that, heavy post meal, like that feeling. It's going to lower sugar levels, especially again after this big meal. So when you absorb, let's say you ate some carbs, right? A big meal, you ate the pecan pie, like your body is going to have all this glucose in your bloodstream, right? So when we go for this walk, that insulin that is being produced, your muscles are going to soak that right up. And so your body's actually going to handle the meal more better. You're going to have less sugar spikes. And not only that, you're probably going to end up sleeping better later that day, kind of helping you wind down as well. So depending at the time that you eat, right? Some people eat a little bit later, some eat midday. So what I would recommend here is a 8 to 15 minute post stroll, and this could be a really great time to take the kids out, to go as a family around the block. It's a great way to just bond, reflect. I love to do gratitude, especially with the kids. Get your steps in, because you're going to be together for a while, right? I assume when we have these feasts, like everybody comes over and we're getting the house ready, and just moving a little bit after the meal is really going to help you. So if anything, these 3 simple strategies, again, focus on protein, squeezing a pre-meal workout, and just walking after eating, are really easy. They're very effective in your metabolism. You're really going to feel better. And again, the best part is it's free. You don't have to go out and purchase anything. You don't have to be perfect. A little bit of action will do. And even though you might want to go ahead and be an achiever and do all 3, good for you. The more the merrier. But if you're somebody that's like, well, I don't know, I'm really busy that day, just pick one thing or 2 things that you can really own and get done so you can see results. I know I'm excited to try these. I'm going to be implementing these in our camping site because we are doing burgers, we are doing chili, like we're doing fajita, we're doing a lot of non-traditional Thanksgiving meals because we're camping, right? We're gonna do a fried turkey, but we're not doing that anymore. The camping site is actually offering a buffet style meal. So I will be with you as well, doing these steps, doing these things, and a little goes a long way. I always want to remind you to not focus on what I did wrong, but what I can control and what I can get done. So I feel good about the choices that I made and reduce that guilt feeling that I shouldn't have, I am a failure, and all of those negative thoughts, because they're not going to help you in any way. So the most important thing is to enjoy your family, to enjoy the meals, because it's a celebration. It's a time to enjoy the people that you are with your loved ones, with your friends, with your family. And so I want you guys to enjoy this time. And I know these are going to be very helpful. If you try them, let me know. I'm really excited for you to get them done. And honestly, these tips can also be done anytime, anywhere, forever, right? When we do this, you are going to see results. You are going to feel better right away. So within a few weeks of implementing these, you're going to see the difference. So go ahead and pick something today, or all three, whichever floats your boat, and see how much difference it makes. So thank you. Again, I want to remind you about the coaching, and I'm excited to help you if you're needing just a little bit of push. Message me. I am here. I am here to help you. That's why I created this group. So I will talk to you guys next time.